In the past few videos I have explained about how to view and download Instagram display pictures using a cell phone. But, in this video, I will explain the same theme, about how to view and download Instagram display pictures using a laptop or PC. Before I start the tutorial, I would really appreciate it if you would like this video. First, log in to Instagram using your favorite web browser. I skipped the login step, because I think it's very easy and I'm sure you can do it by yourself. After that, open the profile of the target you want to see and download the display picture. The next step, copy the target profile link. You can copy the link next to here. After you get the target profile link, open a new tab and go to the website, www.save-insta.com. I will include the link to this website in the video description. Enter the target profile link that you have copied. Then, click View Now. Wait a few moments for the process to finish. It usually takes less than 1 minute. After the process is complete, click on the Zoom HD image to view the photo in full. To download a photo, right-click on your mouse, then, click on Save Image As. Hopefully this video can help solve your problem.